Millions of women in the UK are approaching retirement with a dangerous misunderstanding about their state pension. Alarming research shows that 92% of women don't fully understand how the system works, putting their financial future at serious risk. The root of this issue lies in decades of changes to the state pension age and the lack of clear, consistent communication from the government. Historically, women could begin receiving their state pension at age 60, while men had to wait until 65. But between 2010 and 2020, the government gradually raised the state pension age for women to align it with men's, reaching 65 and now set to rise further to 66 and beyond for both. For many women, especially those born between April 1950 and April 1960, these changes came as a shock. They expected to retire at 60, like their mothers or older sisters. Instead, they discovered they would have to wait several more years, often with little time to prepare. Some had already left the workforce, assuming their pension income would begin soon. Others had no private savings to fall back on. The result: financial hardship, delayed retirements, and emotional stress. This wasn't just a delay in payments, it was a gap in income during a critical time. Many women had to dip into limited savings, find low-paid work, or rely on family support or benefits. Some had to abandon retirement plans entirely. The Department for Work and Pensions, DWP, had years to inform women of these changes. But critics argue their communication was inconsistent and, in many cases, completely absent. Despite reforms being introduced through the 1995 Pensions Act and updated again in 2011, many women say they only found out about the change when it was too late to adjust their plans. This led to the formation of advocacy groups such as Women Against State Pension Inequality (WASPI), which campaigns for compensation for the women affected. While WASPI supports equalizing pension ages, it believes the way the transition was handled was deeply unfair. In 2021, the Parliamentary and Health Service Ombudsman ruled that the DWP committed maladministration in how it communicated the changes, acknowledging that many women were left unprepared and distressed. Yet, to date, there has been no resolution regarding compensation. The confusion extends beyond this specific age group. Many women, regardless of when they were born, struggle to understand the new pension rules introduced in 2016. The switch to a flat-rate pension system means those retiring after April 6, 2016, must have at least 10 years of national insurance, contributions to receive any state pension, and 35 years to receive the full amount, currently around £221 per week as of 2025. This presents challenges, especially for women who took time out of work to raise children or care for relatives. Many do not know that time spent on certain benefits, like child benefit or job seekers' allowance can count toward their contributions. Others are unaware of how to check their pension forecast or how to fill in contribution gaps with voluntary payments. A major oversight is that state pension payments are not automatic. Women need to apply for them. Delays or failure to apply on time can result in missed payments and added stress. Women, on average, live longer than men and often have smaller private pensions or savings due to lower lifetime earnings and time out of the workforce. This makes a clear understanding of state pension entitlements even more essential. Another consequence of rising pension ages is the delayed access to age-related benefits like free prescriptions, bus passes, and other support. These are often linked to the state pension age, so as it increases, women must wait longer for these benefits as well. This is particularly challenging for those with health issues or mobility needs. Financial literacy around pensions remains low, especially among women. This isn't due to a lack of intelligence or interest, but because the system is complex, opaque, and bureaucratic. To protect their financial futures, experts urge women to take action. Check their state pension forecast through the official government website. Review their national insurance contributions. Confirm their accuracy. And make voluntary payments if needed. Seek advice from pension experts or trusted financial advisors. Employers also have a responsibility to provide better pension education. And policymakers must take urgent action to improve communication. This includes clearer DWP notifications, simplified tools, and more community outreach to support pension literacy. The cost of misunderstanding the pension system is not just personal. It creates broader social and economic pressure on families, on welfare systems, and on public services. A lack of preparedness for retirement can lead to severe hardship. Even homelessness or mental health issues, especially for those with no financial safety net. The government must act. It needs to provide compensation to the women who were left in the dark and commit to widespread education efforts so that no one is caught off guard again. Proving understanding of pensions is not just a financial issue. It's a matter of fairness, dignity, and justice. Pensions represent years of work, sacrifice, and planning. Every woman deserves to know exactly where she stands so she can retire with confidence and security.